Hey there, it's Coach Max. I just want to first and foremost congratulate you on wanting to become a forex trader. Well, in order to trade forex live or on demo, you need to sign up for a broker account. So the broker that we are using is LQDFX. This is their homepage. There will be a link above or below this video that will be provided to you so that you can come in and create your account. Okay. So there's two different ways to start on a broker. Okay, a broker is how you actually go about depositing your funds into your trading account so that you can place trades. However, when you first get started, you want to come over here to demo account. Okay, it's going to ask you your title, your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. Okay, you can come and view some information about LQDFX, but I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Okay, so I am logged in to my LQDFX. Now, in order to even see this account, you have to go ahead and where it says open demo account, that's the first thing that you're going to click on. And I already have a demo account set up, but it's going to be connected to your MetaTrader 4, also known as your MT4. And what it's going to ask you to do is select the currency, which is USD. Select the account type, you're going to put ECN. Select the leverage 1 to 200, and then whichever balance you want to start out with. I say start with about $500 or $1,000 for this account. Okay, and then hit create. If you want to, if you want to click this button, that's okay, but hit create here. The same goes for a live account. You're going to select MetaTrader 4, not this over here, USD, not Euro. Okay, account type ECN. And then you select your leverage from there. Okay, how much you want to leverage, 1 to 200 or 1 to 100, and you hit create. At that time, okay, they're gonna prompt you to download MT4. Now you can download it to your phone or your Apple device. You can download it for your Android, or you can download it to a Windows computer, which is what I did. I downloaded it to my computer, and I also went on my phone and I downloaded the MT4 app. When you create this account, they're going to send you an email with your login information, and your password is going to be whatever you use this account to create with. Okay, now, when you go ahead and you download this account, for example, this is my demo account, okay? One of the demo accounts that I use. This is the account number, okay? So when you come over to MetaTrader 4 and you download it, this is what it's going to look like. Actually, on your desktop, it'll look something like this over here. Okay, LQD MetaTrader 4. When you pop it open, this is how it's going to look. It's going to come up with the currency that I'm on right now, which is the Euro USD. But let's just talk about the account. So right here in your navigator on your computer, whichever device you decide to use, these same numbers here, 11, right here where it has my name, you'll see log into trade account, or you can go to file, log into trade account. Okay, when that pops up, you're gonna see this box. Okay, and this is, you're gonna put the same numbers from this right here on your demo account, whether you're on your phone or on the computer, but you're gonna put these numbers where it says log in, and then you're gonna put the password, what server are you using, because you have live or demo. You're going to be on a demo. Save it and then log in. I'm already logged in for the most part, so that's what you do from there. The same thing with your live account. Okay, there's different things here that you can click around and look at, but for the most part, that is how do you get your demo account. Now for live accounts, okay, you're going to see deposit funds. okay, or withdraw funds. So when you make your profits, you can come over here and you can withdraw. When you make your deposits, you can come over here and deposit. So they have different ways you can do this. All brokers use Bitcoin, so you can do a Bitcoin transfer, but I chose LQDFX because you can load a VLOAD card, so you can use a cash deposit, okay? So you would click VLOAD if you want to use cash, all right? And then you put, I need to purchase a VLOAD voucher, okay? For how much? Make sure your currency is in US dollar. Let's say, for example, it's 50. Then it's going to take you over to VLOAD just as you would check anything else out. All right, this says 50. All right, and then you have to create an account, sign in, and then just as you would check out, excuse me, I'm not going to put my card information on this video, but make sure you sign in and you check out and that you have a PIN. It's going to ask you what your PIN is to make this transaction so everything is secure. Then it's going to load your account and you'll come back over to account list, and then you'll see your funds listed here in the balance. Okay, that's pretty much how you do that. When you go to withdraw, excuse me, it'll ask you how you want to withdraw, and you withdraw the same way that you loaded your account. Go over to VLOAD, request the amount. So if I wanted to withdraw $50, it has a small fee. You withdraw your money and your money will be back on the same way that you uploaded on the account. So this is very simple. If you have any questions, go ahead on and ask. We welcome you to the team. I'm super duper excited and fired up that you have decided to become a trader. Okay, you guys, have a good one.